YouTube family again. So this is gonna be a quick video to discuss Lock Appreciation Day. So Lock Appreciation Day passed already. It was this Saturday, June 25th. And I just wanted to come on and tell you guys it was an awesome event. I know I said I was going to try to vlog as much as I could at the event. And I was going to Snapchat it throughout the entire event so you guys can see it live. However, the vlogging part, what had happened was, right, I didn't bring my camera, and then I was so busy at the event because I also helped out. I also helped out. I was in the front, helped with tickets and all that kind of stuff. So it was so busy, and I was so busy having fun that I didn't really vlog, but I am so sorry. But at the same time, so many other vloggers were there and they vlogged. So give it time and you should see those videos start to pop up all over YouTube. And I'm sure Jasmine also did a vlog, so you can see that as well. I know Lena, I believe she did a vlog, so I'm gonna link, that vlog is already out, so I'm gonna link that below. But just give it some time, you will see a lot of YouTubers put up the vlog for that. But I just wanted to come and say I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog. But if you followed me on Snapchat and Instagram, you guys already saw pictures and you guys were witnessing the event live as I was snapping as I was going. So first, thank you to everyone that came out, that traveled near and far to come to the event. I really enjoyed meeting all of you guys. It was such a pleasure. We had a great time. Thank you guys for recognizing me, because I'm like, I knew Sheila's light was coming. I knew that much, so I was expecting her, but I didn't think anybody else was gonna know me there. So when people came up to me, I was like, oh, I know you, you're KayaJourney. I was like, yes. So it's really good to be recognized by a few of you guys. So thank you guys for coming out. I do have some clips from Snapchat, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's crazy. There was no real stabilization, there's no real video focus. It's very crazy, and a part of me was not going to put it out at all because there was no real, how do I say, it's very shaky, just crazy all over the place. But some of you guys wanted to see it anyway, so I'm gonna show the clips from my Snapchat in the next clip, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry again I couldn't vlog, but sometimes you're so in the moment and you're enjoying life and you're enjoying your journey that you just put the camera down and you forget about it. But thank you guys all that came out to support. I really appreciate it. I really enjoyed myself with all you guys. And for the ones that came up and gave me hugs and took pictures with me and was just like, I know you, thank you. You know who you are. I'm not gonna name any names because I might forget, and then I'm gonna leave this one out and then this one's gonna be upset. So you know who you are. Hello, you can leave your comment in the comment section. But thank you guys. And I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog. But next year though, y'all better get your stuff ready because we doing it big next year. But thank you guys for coming out, and that was it. I want to say I had a blast, but just keep on the lookout. Vlogs, recaps will be coming out because I know there's tons of vloggers there. So that's that. We had a great time, and yeah, that's it, you guys. So just keep watching the following clips for the Snapchat craziness. When I mean shenanigans and craziness, with shenanigans and craziness. Just keep watching, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. I think that's it. I think so. All right. Bye, you guys. I'm all ready to go. This is the face. Light makeup as usual. Bold lip. It's very iridescent kind of purple color, but it blue iridescent. This is the outfit. It's a skirt that I made. I wish I could show it to you better. It's like a leopard print kind of bodycon skirt that I made a while. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna show you. It's a bright, vibrant leopard print, but colorful leopard print bodycon skirt with a white tee and some flats.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from above bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get